Air frying me some fish here now. Hey guys, today I'm gonna be air frying some fish, and I already got my fries right here. They're already done.
I'll call y'all when this movie goes.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna be seasoning my fish and putting it in the air fryer. I already set the time. All I gotta do is let it cook. First, I'm gonna season poke holes in my fish sauce. It could tenderize. And my poke holes on both sides. So that way my fish can be real tender and juicy. I haven't had fish since the last fish video that I had. I really ain't been cooking lately. I've been dealing with a lot. But I'll be back when I put this in the fire, you guys. Okay guys, I'm back. I seasoned my meat and put flour on it. Now I'm gonna throw it in the air fryer and close the thing. Close the lid. And wait for it to cook. These are the seasonings I use. Fajita season, ranch season, fish moisturizer. Fisherman's Blend. And I want to give a special thank you to all my subscribers for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Keep subscribing, keep liking. Thank you. That's my order.